In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix purchase games not showing up on your PS5. First, make sure you're signed into the PSN account that originally purchased the game, and then go into Settings, select Users and Accounts, then select the Account option, then go down to where it says Payment and Subscriptions. From here, open the option that says Transaction History, then scan this QR code to view your transactions through the website. Once you're on the website, go ahead and change the start date so it goes back far enough to include when you bought the game, then press continue. If the game isn't listed, it was likely purchased on a different PSN account. If your purchase is there, go back to users and accounts and go down to other. Then select console sharing and offline play and make sure this is enabled. Next, you can also restore licenses right under console sharing, find the game and choose restore. Let the process finish. And after that, return to the PS5 home screen and open the game library. Go over to your collection right here, and your purchased game should appear there. You can also check the PlayStation Plus section for games claimed through your subscription. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.